Hello everyone. Today in this very short video, we're going to find out if a person has sleep apnea or no. Now, sleep apnea has a very simple symptom called snoring. Now, every snorer need not have sleep apnea, but every sleep apneic patient mostly will have snoring. So, what is snoring? Snoring is the sound that is generated by partial airway obstruction in the upper throat at the level of the soft palate. So, when you actually open your mouth and breathe through the nose and mouth, like you obviously create that sound because of palatal flutter. Now, there are many ways that if one has snoring, it could be a child, it could be an adult, to see if they have sleep apnea or no. There are very simple tools, and one of the easiest one is a questionnaire called the STOP-BANG Questionnaire. Okay, this is freely available online, and STOP-BANG Questionnaire can actually tell you if you have sleep apnea. But what is this huge fuss about sleep apnea? Because if you have sleep apnea, that means inability to breathe during sleep, the impact is felt right from the eyes to your feet. And there is an increased chance of nighttime heart attacks and stroke. And did you know, once you've diagnosed with sleep apnea, your average lifespan drops from whatever it is expected to be for you to 58 years. And hence, it's very important that we identify if we snore and if we want to see if we have sleep apnea. Or you can consult your nearest ENT. Thank you.